Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy corporate bonds on Fidelity. First, understand what corporate bonds are and why they might fit into your investment strategy. Corporate bonds are essentially loans you make to a company, which then pays you interest. Fidelity offers a robust platform to help you navigate these investments, whether you're looking at new issues or the secondary market. We'll cover the steps to find and purchase bonds and important considerations for your portfolio. Corporate bonds are debt obligations issued by companies to finance their operations or expansion. They are rated by agencies like Standard & Poor's or Moody's, which assess the issuer's financial health. Investment-grade bonds are considered lower risk, while high-yield bonds offer higher potential returns for increased risk. Be aware that some bonds have call provisions, meaning the issuer can repay the principal before the maturity date, often when interest rates decline. To buy corporate bonds on Fidelity, begin by logging into your account and selecting the Fixed Income, Bonds and CDS section. Here, you can use the bond screener to filter available bonds by criteria such as maturity date, credit rating, and yield. Carefully review the bond's details, including its coupon rate and any call provisions. When placing an order, remember that one bond typically represents $1,000 in par value, so enter your desired quantity accordingly. When investing in corporate bonds, it's crucial to consider the risks involved, such as credit risk and interest rate risk. Diversifying your bond portfolio across various issuers and maturities can help mitigate some of these risks. Remember that interest earned on corporate bonds is typically subject to federal, state, and local taxes. Always align your bond investments with your overall financial goals and personal risk tolerance to make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.